campers, welcome back to Camp Green Lake. It's Earth Day, so let's do some more Earth Day activities. Let's do an Earth Day warm-up for math. Go ahead and pause your video and then come back when you're ready to correct. Perfect, that was fast. I hope you worked carefully. Let's go ahead and begin grading our warm-up today. Number 1, 9 times what is 54? So if I can't think of it off the bat, I can think of some related facts. I know that 9 times 5 is 45. So 9 more than 45 would be 54. So that's just one more 9. So that would be 6. And I'm noticing a fact family going on here, 54 and 9. So the only one left, it would be 6. All right, let's go on to number 2. We're adding money. The only thing or subtracting money. The only thing different is our decimal point. So I always just carry them down so I don't forget. And bring down my dollar sign. Okay? So other than that, it's the same. I can't take 9 away from 5, so I'm going to regroup. Now I have 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. I can't take 7 from 5, so I'm going to regroup again. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 3 is nothing. So my final answer is 86 cents. I can't take 3 away from 2, so I'm going to regroup. 12 minus 3 is 9. I can't take 8 from 1. Regroup again. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Final answer, $3.39. Draw a clock showing a quarter till 12. What's another way to say that? If it's 15 minutes before 12, then it's 11:45. That's right. So that's what I'm going to draw. 11:45. Okay. Now, I also know that it's going to be almost 12, so my hour hand's going to be closer to the 12, but not quite. And then 45 is on the 9. Okay, 11:45. I'm going to separate 5,927 into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. The thousands place, there are 5 of them. The hundreds place, there are 9, tens, 2, ones, 7. Okay, number 5. Evan can do 1 sit-up for every 5 seconds. How many seconds would it take to do 24? So I need to figure out how much 24 5s are. What's a really fast way to do that? Well, you could count, but it would take a while, and you might get mixed up. Or you could just multiply 24 times 5. We've done a little bit of this, and some of you probably practiced some more after the last time we did it. So let's see how you do. 5 times 4 is 20. I can put my 0 down and regroup my 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Final answer, it would take 120 seconds for Evan to do 24 sit-ups. All right, let's move on to our math assignment today. You have first a review worksheet, which says lending a hand. It's just problem solving, and you do the little work in the boxes down below. Our little earth guy is recycling. Good for him. Then we have a game. To play the game, you need a red and a blue. You need dice. Now, I just pulled these from another game that I have, and I'll make sure I put them back when we're done. And a paper clip. So Mom and Dad are going to download the wonderful water sheet for you. And what I did was I just opened my big paper clip, and I slid it in. I poked a little hole and slid it in. Okay? It's not a perfect spinner, but it'll work for what we have to do today. Okay, then I just put my paper down and I can flick it and it'll still spin. Not perfect, but it works because we're reusing something, right? Okay, so the directions say roll the dice and multiply the numbers. So we need 2 people. One person is red and one person is blue. So I'll be the red person first. Okay, I'll roll my dice. I got a 4 and a 2, so I'm going to multiply those. 4 times 2, or 2 times 4, will get me the same answer, is 8. And my spinner landed on Littered in Lake, turn is over, aw, rats. So So it's time for blue. You can play this by yourself or you can play with another person. It's probably funner with another person, but I don't have another person. So I'm blue now. I'm gonna roll the dice. 6 and 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Spin. It says, tell one way to protect our water. Color any number. That's a lucky one. I think when we're brushing our teeth, we should turn the water off so that we're not running water. So I'm going to color in with my blue, maybe number 36. Okay? And then it goes on to the red turn. Same thing. Roll the dice, multiply to get a number, then spin to see what you do with the number, then color it in. And it says the first player to color 4 spaces in a row, so it's kind of like bingo, you're trying to get 4 in a row, wins. Awesome. Well, I hope you have fun with this and save our Earth.